Welcome to Ampler Factory. This is where all our e-bikes are born. I'm Arda Kaurit, the CEO and co-founder of Ampler, and today I'm introducing you to the next generation of Ampler's light electric bikes and taking you on a tour around the factory. This is the first time we are opening our factory doors to the public. We wanted to show you how our bikes are being made and tell you the story behind our products. Ampler has always been a product-centric company. It is our passion to create electric bikes that serve the urban commuters. Bikes that are exciting, long-lasting, safe, and built responsibly. This is how we make the Ampler way the best way of commuting. By having both product development and assembly in-house here in Estonia, we can make sure that each Ampler rides exactly how it is meant to ride. All of the bikes are fully tested before being delivered to your door or to one of our showrooms in Europe. By the way, we are not only launching new bikes here, but we just opened a new Ampler showroom in Amsterdam today, and we'll open one very soon in Zurich too. By building the bikes ourselves, we do not just control the quality, but we can also design how do we want the bikes being built, in what conditions, and from what materials. We are working on ensuring that all materials come from transparent sources, and we aim for zero waste. Just as one example, last year we got rid of all plastic waste in our packaging. We're also developing a new carbon-neutral factory in Estonia that would produce more than 100,000 bikes a year to grow our impact even more. Starting with the new bikes, all frames, forks and fenders will be painted in-house to deliver the quality you would expect from Ampler. The modern, newly installed equipment and the latest technologies in powder coating will ensure beautiful, uniform colors that are also more durable. We pride ourselves in having strong team values that point us to the best direction whenever we make decisions in our daily work. When interacting with each other, or with our customers. Growing bigger also enables us to have stronger voice and to inspire other companies to follow the same suit. Being transparent, honest, and caring towards people and the environment. The story of Ampler started in a garage almost 8 years ago when me and my two friends, Hannes and Rait, got excited about the idea of building an e-bike. It was really about creating something our way. After riding the first prototype, we were so blown away by the feeling of it that we committed ourselves to enabling more people to experience it. We really wanted e-bikes to be lightweight, good-looking, and fun to ride. In 2016, we launched Ampler internationally, and since then, we've grown fast into an international team of more than 140 team members and delivering bikes all over Europe. Today, more than 15,000 Ampler bikes are riding around the world, and the feedback from our customers has played a big part in inspiring us to make the next generation of Ampler even better. And now it's time to check out the new bikes. And I'm super excited to bring you the biggest product news in the history of Ampler. Something that we've been working on for a long time. A whole new platform that marks the true second generation of our bikes. This means that nearly everything is new. The frames are completely redesigned to incorporate an integrated display and a more rider-friendly user experience. The bikes come in different riding styles and frame sizes to accommodate an even wider range of riders. The new motor, our in-house developed electronics and other high-quality components make cycling with an Ampler more convenient than ever before. We're about to launch 5 new e-bikes, but first I'm going to introduce you to 2 of them. the brand new Ampler Juna and the Ampler Axel. Meet Ampler Juna, an all-new comfort-oriented everyday e-bike. Juna pairs a high-performance motor with a relaxed upright geometry and a convenient low-step frame that makes cycling stable and safe. The 27.5-inch wheel dimension and the wide, puncture-protected tires by Continental add comfort and ease. At just 16.5 kilograms, fully equipped, Juna is the lightest e-bike in its class. Featuring a silent, low-maintenance single-speed belt drive, Juna is simple to use and easy to take care of. Bright LED lights in the front and in the back and hydraulic disc brakes with strong braking power help you to stay safe on the road. The rear light on Juna also has a brake light function to keep you even more visible in city traffic. The bike is delivered ready for your daily rides, road legal and with the wide fenders that protect you from the wet roads. The new electronics platform includes an integrated display built into the top tube to conveniently check remaining range or trip data. The power button is placed just under the display for easy access and clean look. All our new bikes include a mobile connection and a GPS location tracking that enables you to locate your bike or lock it from unauthorized use remotely from your phone for extra security. The bike can also alert you if someone tries to move your bike. The mobile connection also delivers your ride data to the Ampler mobile app automatically. The updated battery with smart battery management system is hidden in the town tube and is removable for servicing. It packs about 70 kilometers of range to complete your daily rides and takes a full charge in just 2.5 hours. The magnetic charging socket is placed discreetly into the lower part of the frame and it has a dust cover to keep itself clean. The shifting cables and brake hoses are internally routed to keep a minimalist frame design. The bike comes in moon grey color and in 2 frame sizes designed for riders from 150 to 174 centimeters in height. So if you are looking for a lightweight, safe, comfort-oriented, no-fuss electric bike for your daily commutes, Juna should be your choice. And next up, meet the Ampler Axel. An all-new everyday e-bike that focuses on simplicity and style. It's a nimble commuter e-bike that makes cycling silent and effortless. The active riding position delivers the balance between sporty and relaxed. Axel weighs in at just 16.3 kilograms, making it one of the lightest fully equipped commuter bikes out there. The new generation frame design incorporates cabling and brake hoses into the frame for cleaner look and extra durability. The same big tires keep you comfortable and safe on even rougher road surfaces. The hydraulic disc brakes and the Gates carbon belt drive contribute to the simple-to-use, easy-to-take care of bike philosophy. The Ampler electric motor together with the single-speed drivetrain of Axel delivers smooth but also powerful riding experience. With the help of a torque sensor measuring rider input and sophisticated motor control algorithms, we have created our most natural riding experience yet. The lights are powered from the main battery that holds enough juice to keep them working for hours, even after the battery charge is too low for powering the motor anymore. In the front, we have a new, brighter light from Busch & Müller with cabling integrated into the head tube. In the rear, there is a bright LED fully integrated into the fender for better visibility and safety. The in-frame display can inform you about remaining range and active assist mode. You can switch between the assist modes or control lights via the button on the frame. The display shuts down while riding, keeping all your focus on the road, and turns back on when you stop. You could also turn the display to be off at all times if you wish to be even more discreet. The Ampler app gives you an extra layer of control over the bike, including fine-tuning the electric assist of the bike. You have access to see ride data, your bike location on a map, and software updates. You can also share access to your bike with your family and friends, while still keeping unauthorized use of the bike limited. The bike comes in rock green color and in 2 frame sizes designed for riders from 172 to 200 centimeters in height. If you are looking for a lightweight, responsive, city-optimized, no-fuss electric bike for your daily commutes, Axel should be your choice. Check out amplerbikes.com for more specific information, or go for a test ride with the new bikes at one of our showrooms in Berlin, Cologne, Amsterdam, Tallinn, and soon in Zurich. Or look out for our ambassadors in more than 20 cities around Europe. The deliveries of the first orders for Juna and Axel start in just a few weeks, so make sure to order yours in time. Stay tuned, because we are not done yet. We have 3 more bikes to unveil. We are back on March 15. Thank you for watching. The ride is yours.